I've been so inspired by seeing what other people are hooking and what you've made with some of my kits and classes. It's so inspiring. But there's always that balance. I wonder how you feel about, there's always that balance between being inspired and sort of getting overwhelmed or discouraged sometimes. If you see someone's work that you think is just amazing and you're feeling a little bit like yours is a little bit inadequate. I think that happens to all of us at some point. Just stay the course. Keep hooking, keep creating, and remember that we're trying to let our own expression and soul shine through. It's not a competition. We are expressing ourselves, and ourselves as we are is enough. And that's why we're here, to be who we are and to find and do what we love. And aren't we lucky to be able to do that? I think so.